Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 different ways of how to create a sales order. Now, if you've seen the 4 ways of how to create a quotation, then this video is similar. Let me start out by talking about the thing that's different. Let's suppose the phone rings and a customer calls in and they want to place an order, and they have mentioned that there's already a quote for it. So if I'm looking up Ben's Auto Body of Buena Park, maybe the customer, if they do know the quotation number, you can just search for it by quote and search for it by the quote number. But if they don't, you can just come to the customer screen, click on sales history, and then click on quotations. In this case, it's already clicked. And then you just find the quote that they are talking about. And let's just pretend like it's this 1046. You can see there is no sales order number linked to this. So this is the one. And so you can just click on create sales order. Looks like there's a tax code problem. Okay, let's fix that. I don't know which tax code, so I'm just going to pick whatever. And then when I click save, it's going to find the correct one for me. So it's Buena Park. Oh, that makes sense. Create sales order, proceed, opens up a new tab, and that is one way to save yourself the time of having to recreate the sales order from scratch when you already have a linked quotation. You can see here there's a quote number that's related to this sales order. So that's one way. Another way that's very common is if you're using the Find Parts screen and you have searched for parts, then like the other one, you can click Add to Sales Order, and each time you search for parts and click on an item, it will then drop those onto whichever sales order it's related to. You can just continually do that, drop more and more items onto the same sales order as you're finding the parts if you'd like. The third way is to click the plus sign and just click Sales Order, and that will open a brand new sales order and you can begin entering item numbers. Fourth way, with this already dropped down, you can see that the shortcut for that is Control F6. So I'll hit Control F6, and that opens up a new tab and creates a new order. Another way is if I'm on the sales order list screen, and you'll see that I've already got this order open right here. And if I click from the sales order list screen, new, it'll open up another new tab and create another new order. And you'll see you can have multiple orders open at one time. And the same is true if I was on an existing sales order. Let's say I'm just on one of these and I click the new button, that also would create a new sales order. So 5 different ways to create a sales order. Hopefully this has been helpful, and I do hope you have a great day.